Is she really going out with him? La 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 la.
Bum, bottom, bottom, bum bum bottom, 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 bottom.
Pretty women are walking with gorillas down my street.
Bottom, bottom.
From my window I'm staring while my coffee grows cold.
Bottom.
Look over there, there is a lady that I used to know. Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? Bottom, 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 bottom,
Oh, sweetie, that was great. Hey, BOOZHOO, ni Anishinaabe Doog. And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is the lovely Hoa and the talented Natasha. Ikadom BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello to these people.
BOOZHOO, Gakina! Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show.
And today, we got a special caller again today, don't we?
That's right. He's waiting on the line right now.
Oh, caller, you're on the air.
Hello, Nana BOOZHOO. Such a pleasure to be here on your show.
And, ladies and gentlemen, today we have the Ghost of David Bowie. Ikadon BOOZHOO Niji. Say hello, David Bowie.
Hello, everyone. This is David Bowie from Beyond the Grave. How you doing, Nana BOOZHOO?
Oh, I'm doing really well. I can't tell you what an honor it is to have you on the show. You've been a huge influence in my life.
Oh, that's very kind of you to say. Very kind indeed. I appreciate that very much. Thank you.
Yeah. I mean, I was listening to David Bowie like when I was a little kid. I mean, I remember, and anyway, I just cried when you passed away.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Nana BOOZHOO. You know, death is not that bad. I mean, it's really not that bad at all.
Oh, that's good. So what can I do for you today, sir?
Well, I was wondering if I could do the Ojibwe word of the day, as it were.
You wanna do the Ojibwe word of the day today?
Yes, if you don't mind, I would love to teach an Ojibwe word.
Oh, that'd be great. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ghost of David Bowie. And he's gonna do the Ojibwe word of the day today. Go ahead, sir.
Well, everyone, I think an appropriate word might be monadoo, spirit, because that is what I am now, isn't it? Well, Nana BOOZHOO, monadoo, spirit in Ojibwe.
Oh, that's pretty good. So now that you're a spirit, does your English accent kind of come and go like that? I mean, what's?
Well, I'm sure I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, okay. Well, I think I better let you go before you completely lose that accent.
Well, let me say it's been a real pleasure being on your show. A real pleasure indeed.
Well, David Bowie, we all miss you. And just want to say thank you for the great songs. And Hoa, that movie Labyrinth.
Yeah.
I mean, do I even need to say how? I mean, who would put together music and puppets like that? I mean, what a great idea. So yeah, miigwech for being on the show, David Bowie, and I hope you'll call in again.
I sure will. I sure will.
All right, David Bowie, the Ghost of David Bowie.
Wow.
And with that, I think we should do. You want to do Ziggy Stardust?
Oh yeah, that'd be great.
Okay, this is a tribute to the memory of David Bowie, and it's Ziggy Stardust.
Ba-dum bum, ba-da ba-da bum bum bum, ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum, ba-da ba-da bum bum bum, ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum, ba-da ba-da bum bum, ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum, ba-da ba-da bum bum bum, ba-dum bum, ba-dum bum, ba-dum.
Ziggy played guitar, jamming goods with Weird and Giddy and the Spiders from Mars. He played it left hand, but made it too far. Became a special man, then we were Ziggy's band. Ziggy really sang, screwed up eyes and screwed down hairdo like some cat from Japan. He could lick 'em by smiling, he could leave 'em to hang. Came on so loaded, man, well hung, Snow White tan. So where were the spiders? While the fly tried to braid our bones, just a beeline to guide us, where we bitched about his fans and should we crush his sweet hand. Oh! And Ziggy played guitar.
And you have been watching BOOZHOO,
Nana
BOOZHOO,
BOOZHOO.
a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
And I will see you again. Gigawada Min, Minawa, Hawa.
Hawa. Wow, that was great. Can't believe it. The Ghost of David Bowie.